made it to Paris.
Attends. Oh là, ah oui, c'est vrai.
What we got here? Paris is really a place to feel many different worlds and energies in one charming yet densely packed city. With its rich history and beautiful architecture, it is the most visited city in the world for a reason. But I got caught in the most amazing energy of them all. The street dances, the inspiration, and the atmosphere of the May festivities. Paris is very famous for dancing. This is where we are. That's the pyramid, the famous pyramid of the Louvre Museum. It feels really cool to be here, surrounded by different kinds of people. It's a huge melting pot like London. And yeah, I am currently looking at a group of dancers who are about to dance for us, so I'm definitely going to try to shoot that. That's very cool. There they are, I don't know if you can see.
On YouTube?
Yeah. Hey, what's your name, sir? I didn't even catch
Marcus.
your name.
Marcus.
Amal. Nice to meet you.
Amal.
Yeah.
Pleasure.
Salut. All right. Today's another day in Paris, and this T-shirt only means one thing. I'm sure you recognize it. It's the Olodum Michael Jackson T-shirt, which means only one thing. I am dancing in Paris today, and it's going to be a very special shoot because I'm joined by a great dancer. Her name is Agathe. And she's awesome. She's a huge Michael Jackson fan. So we're going to try to shoot in some of Paris's most iconic landmarks. And the day for it is just perfect. Look at the sky. It's 30 degrees. It's hot. So let's make sure I get water first and get there safely. I'm really excited. Never danced in Paris. Never shot a video here. Adding these dance videos around the world to yet another destination. C'est trop, non? Ouais, allez. Excusez-moi. Pardon. So this is Paris North. Actually, one of the oldest, the first quarter of Paris is Montmartre. It's the oldest vintage place of Paris. So it's also my favorite, and that's where we're meeting today to shoot the video. Here we are. Welcome to the 18th.
Ils veulent changer de revue du film.
Ouais, de toute façon, il y aura de la musique par-dessus. Je veux bien un free hug.
Oui.
Oui, c'est ma paparazzi, merci.
Oh, pardon. J'ai crié. Est-ce que tu me fous droit? Bien vu. Encore? Ouais, j'ai vu t'as bugué, je crois. En fait, en arrivant. Non, t'arrives à filmer comme ça, si tu veux. Moi, j'arrive pas en fait. J'arrive pas à bien prendre genre le. Tu veux prendre. En fait, elle veut ça aussi. Et en même temps qu'on voit bien le sol et le croix. Elle veut qu'on voit bien le sol et ça aussi, la cathédrale.
J'adore tes lunettes.
Allez, mets-toi aussi. Vers...
So, just finished shooting. It was so hot. Agathe, how do you feel? Comment tu te sens?
Très bien.
Très bien? T'as pas trop chaud?
Si, j'ai énormément chaud, mais sinon ça va.
Oui, t'as les joues toutes roses.
C'est vrai?
Ouais, mais ça te va bien.
C'est vrai?
Pas besoin de maquillage.
Oh, attends. Oh là, ah oui, c'est vrai.
Ouais.
Je me sens vraiment bien. Mais en fait, tu me le dis pas deux fois en fait. Non mais, s'il te plaît, t'en supplie.
Oh, so there's a lot of dancers and creators here actually, so we're gonna jam together, but not up there because it was way too hot. So I've come now to my favorite restaurant in Paris. It does salads, so you think these salads are not going to fill you, but actually they are the most filling thing ever. And it's called Relais Gascon, the 18th, and it's just very Parisian, very typical. I love it, and I can't wait to have a salad in this heat after shooting. Now it's time to eat. So here's the salad. Challenge is to finish this. So it's another day here in Paris, and I just finished work, and I'm heading somewhere else tonight. But before, I'm going to see the iconic Eiffel Tower, this place where the dancers gather, and I hope to meet some dancers today. Let's see. Let's go. It's very busy at the moment with everything that's happening in Paris. French Open, football, celebrations. So this place obviously is the most touristic place of Paris. It's called Trocadéro. And I'm going there now to see if I can meet some dancers and perhaps do a little something after work just before I head to my next destination. What a crazy week it's been. But yeah, really absolutely loved the vibe here in Paris, like meeting with the little girl who dances and just being back on French soil. It's always great. Vlogging here, it's nice. Let's see what more we can add to this Paris adventure. haven't seen it properly since I've been back in Paris. I'm about to turn into the epic view of it. And wow. Woo. There we are. Signature Paris right here. That. Even the pigeons are enjoying this view. Eiffel Tower, I haven't seen you in a while. Hello, Paris. Hello, Paris. It's a great floor. Look at it. Amazing floor to dance. Eiffel Tower, I haven't seen you in a while. Hello. Hello, Paris. Bonjour Paris.
There's not a single one of these pictures on my list.
Got all sorts of photo shoots going on there. Right, so the guys just told me they're down there. I can actually see them dancing near the Olympic ring sign. They just don't know I have a suitcase and there's so many steps. So I'm taking everything down with me to meet the dancers. More steps, more views. I have to say it's beautiful. Paris just has that thing, you know? Alright, so getting closer to this iron massive structure of 350 meters, which was built in 1881, I believe, 1883. Wow, it is impressive every time you see it, I have to say. As you get closer, it's like, wow. Hi. Alright. Looked at the wrong way because I'm used to English roads. Wow, that was dangerous. I want to die before... Actually, it would be a very cool spot to die, just in front of the Eiffel Tower. Or is that too dark? Oh, I have to say, the pigeons here just come at you, mate. You can tell they're Parisian. Even the pigeons are aggressive. What's going on here? Oh, Paris monks. Love it. Yeah, it's like a GoPro, this one. Meet Mr. Maurizio, the videographer. Hello.
Du coup,
how's
s'il
your...
te plaît.
There you are, that's his French and he lives in Paris.
Yes,
All the best.
I am the Latin flavor in Paris. Latin flavor in Paris.
That's what
Thank you so much
Paris needs.
for your energy.
Yeah.
Come to Venezuela when you want.
Oh, yes.
But no, when Maduro is upside, you can go to Venezuela.
Is it
Now,
really,
no.
Is it really dangerous now? Really? Oh, okay. But it's beautiful. You have the Amazon.
It's the beautiful
the most
country.
beautiful country. Yes.
Beautiful country.
Yes.
That,
Just finished shooting a little vibe, and now we're still going. Hey! Je vlog un petit peu en anglais, mais ton prénom j'ai oublié. Cécile. Cécile. This is Cécile. Are you a dancer? Tu danses? Non, pas du tout. Mais t'admires.
J'admire, j'accompagne. Voilà.
Cool, bah enchanté. Et voilà, Paris, la vibes, we're loving it. C'est ce coucher de soleil un petit peu aussi, il fait bon.
Il fait chaud.
Ouais, franchement, il pleut pas.
Bien.
Bah, je viens de Londres, moi la pluie, je suis habituée. Donc,
Ça fait du bien, il fait
ouais,
soleil.
avec la Seine et tout. Ah, magnifique. Good vibes.
Paris.
What we got here? Hey. Wow, bravo.
Let me see you just bounce it with me, just bounce with me, just bounce it with me. Come on, let me see you just slide with me, just slide with me, just slide with me. Take it off with me, just hold it with me.
Wow, so that was something. As you can see, I made it to my train. I'm now leaving Paris to go to a work conference tomorrow, and managed to squeeze in a lovely evening with my new Paris dance friends, doing a few shoots in the iconic Eiffel Tower. And let's see, I mean, Paris is very sort of unplanned, like you just come with your vibes, see who jams. I love that. That's what's missing in London, just people dancing on the street like that. Everyone's welcome. Kind of reminded me of what Morocco is like. And someone who really inspires me was there, Salif, his name is. I've already spoken about him, but he's just so nice. I managed to sit down and ask him like about his passion for Michael Jackson, and he is really a huge fan, and it's so nice to see other fans of Michael Jackson. And you can tell, because from his dancing, from the magic of his own dancing, you can tell how much Michael Jackson means to him. So I was really honored to have those 5 minutes to talk to him. And yeah, obviously this is just the beginning. Paris is home in a way, and I'm sure I'll be back. So I'm finally back home in London. To make matters even better, I've got a flight tomorrow to Africa. So I just got back from the Eurostar, just got back from Paris, and tomorrow morning I'm going to the airport and leaving London to go to my next destination. So stay tuned. I don't know how I'm still doing this, but traveling always gives me energy because I'm always looking forward to seeing something new, experiencing a new energy, even though I've been to the place before. So this is going to be an epic one. And my friends are joining me, so a bit of a different trip than my solo usual travels. But anyway, thank you so much for watching and for, supporting my journey still. But for now, it's good night from me, and see you for the next one.